When we were a child, some of us may have a good memory when our father made a tree house with sloping roof waterproofing on the backyard, and we started the adventure there. It is from this small tree house our imagination can go to anywhere, from the army fort, spacecraft cockpit, or even the pirate's nest. Well, while some people make the simple tree house for their children, the owners of Casa and El Arbol have more serious way of thinking to their tree house. They hired the Urbane Arbalismo studio to design their tree house, that built as a retreat not only for the children, but also for the adult themselves. Camouflaged in the middle of oak forest in Extremadura, Spain, this house stands on a big oak tree with huge amount of rustic and natural feel. The exterior takes shape of a classic tree house, with sloping roof waterproofing, some windows, and many hidden access such as rope ladder and even a slider. This unique tree house was built with a modern technology. The architect built a model of the tree in computer and started to build the home right from the trunks. This method allowed the architect to build this home without cutting or nailing any single branch, trunk or limb of the tree, so it ensured the life of the supporting tree. Because of its tree-friendly design, the tree house needs an extra supporting structure for its weight. The architect then built some route-like supporting structure behind the house, not only to support the house's weight, but it also bring a wonderful playground for the kids. The wall is entirely made up from natural oak bark cuts, without any finishing on it. This make the tree home has a more natural feels, and become better in time when the mosses and lichens grows there. With the unique design suited with its surrounding, this tree house can act not only as a playground for your children, but also as a retreat for the adults. Well, how do you think? Do you want to use this tree house idea with sloping roof waterproofing for your kids, or you're the one who want to play in it?